G'day humans, Chris Stead here. Today I'm doing an unboxing of the Aiper Scuba S1 Pro. Let's do it. So Aiper is a new brand that's just releasing into Australia. It's out of China, but it's intriguing because it's offering a battery powered, so wireless, pool robot experience at a much more affordable price than some of the other ones we see here in the market from the local brands. So the question is, of course, can the cheaper Chinese brand deliver the same quality experience as the more expensive Australian brands or the more expensive Western brands that are already available here in Australia? So we're going to jump in and do a full review of this, so make sure you keep an eye on the channel. But right now, thought, why not, let's unbox it on camera and see what we've got inside. So if we'll come across other models overseas, is the N1 Pro, I know, is another one I'm going to look at. And a few other smaller models as well, like non-pro models, I guess you could say. But the S1 Pro looks like it's going to tick the most amount of boxes. So that's the one that's just launched in Australia. We're going to see how it goes. So what have we got here? So there's a contact us card, a poster, I guess, of sorts. And here we have a sticker. Okay, so that's your user manual. Decent thickness. Let's see, is it pictures and text, not just pictures, which is good. Looks like app link. Okay, well that's going to be a big part of the review experience. Going through all of that. And what have we got here? Okay, here's a hook and a battery pack. So this is going to provide us with a hook that's going to attach to your, because it's wireless, so with the old ones, robots you usually use where it's wired to a box, you pull it up by the wire, which is what does them all in. With the wireless, there's obviously nothing connecting to it, so you put these onto your pole and hook the robot out of the pool. Okay, so charging cable. So that's interesting. So no dock potentially, just the charging cable. And here is the robot. It's got the tank wheels. There we go. So footprint's more or less the same as kind of the Zodiacs and the so forth here, or we have here in Australia. Maybe a little bit bigger footprint, bigger body. Vents on top, big tracks on the side. Yeah, okay, well there we go. There's a quick unboxing of the Aiper, I think that's pronouncing that right, the Aiper Scuba S1 Pro. Make sure you keep an eye on the channel because there will be a review going live shortly. Thank you very much for watching. I'm Chris Stead. You.